Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. In the previous videos we were checking out a software called Zebracat. You're seeing it on screen right now. Zebracat is a software used to create videos. It is an AI powered software. You can do that a bunch of different ways. You can create videos with a prompt. You can create videos with a URL. You can create videos out of a script. You can even create your own avatars to use in, let's say, product videos. We have been checking out some of these functionalities in the previous videos before this one. If you haven't checked them out, I really invite you to go to the channel and check them out. If you subscribe to the channel, you're not gonna miss any of the videos that we are making about this software and all of the other amazing softwares. Just as a reminder, I am using one of the paid plans. If you want to use one of them and get the most out of the software, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use. And on this video, we're going to be checking out one of the tools that you're seeing on screen right now, that is design your avatar. As you see right here, we have already created an avatar using our image, but we are gonna create an AI avatar in this video starting from scratch. So without further ado, I'm going to turn my camera off so you can see my screen better, and I'll see you guys in the end. So this is Zebracat's homepage. These are some of the ways in which you can create videos, as I've been showing you. These right here are some of the projects that we have been working on in the previous videos. And on this video, we're going to go once again to this tool, the Design Your Avatar tool. This is the avatar that we created with an image of myself. I've made a video using that avatar as well. Once again, if you want to check that video, it is already on the channel. We did it using this tool that is called the Digital Twin tool. But on this video, we're going to be checking out this other tool, the AI Influencer tool. If you click on Try Now, you're then taken to this screen where you can choose if you want to start with an image or if you want to start from scratch. Since we used an image in the previous videos, this time we're going to be starting from scratch. If you click on it, you're then taken to the Appearance Control tab. Right here, you can do it in two different ways. If you go to Custom Description, right here on this box, you can specifically describe the avatar that you want to create. The example right here is a 25-year-old professional woman with long blonde hair and so on. But I find it easier if you go to the Appearance Control tab and you select the gender, ethnicity, age, and body type. Let's say that we want to create a female avatar this time. We want her to be Caucasian. Let's say that she's going to be on her 30s. And the body type is going to be average. If you go to face, you can select the face shape from these options. Let's say that we want a diamond face shape, and the eye color is going to be hazel. That is it for the appearance of our avatar. On the top right here, we have some other options. In the product tab, you could upload a product that you want your avatar to showcase, a real physical item. Let's say that you want to promote a cell phone, for example, you would upload the picture of the cell phone right here. In the brand tab, you can add, for example, your logo, the logo of your company or the logo of your product, and also some colors that are associated to your brand, and they would be added to the avatar as well. In the accessories tab, you can select if you want your avatar to have different accessories, let's say glasses, a bag, ski goggles, and so on. Let's say that we want our avatar to have glasses. And if you don't find it on this list right here, you can add a custom accessory if you write it right here. For example, a watch, a bracelet, a necklace, and so on. And finally, on the background tab, you can select which background you want your avatar to have. Let's say that our avatar is going to have a mountain view background. And once again, if you don't find the background that you want to use in this drop-down menu, you can write it right here on the bottom. Once everything's looking like you want it to, when you have everything you want, you can just click on Preview Avatar. Then the software is going to take a couple of minutes to generate your avatar. And after a couple of minutes, the software has already rendered our avatar. This is the one. It has a mountain view. She has glasses. All the instructions that we wrote are applied here. So if we click on Finalize, we can select if we want to generate another variant or if we want to proceed with just this one version. I'm going to proceed with this one version as of now. You can then name your AI avatar. Let's say that her name is going to be Sarah. And if you go back to the avatar list, it's going to take a couple of minutes to process her in this screen right here. After our avatar has processed, if you hover over it, you can see a preview of how it's going to look on a video. If we click on this option that says create video, we're then taken to this screen that we've seen in different videos, where we can input a prompt for us to use. For example, let's say that we want Sarah to be talking about healthy snacks, one of the options that the software proposes. These are the avatars that we have created. This is myself that I created in a previous video, and this is the one that we created just now with the description of the AI avatar. You can use it in this option, the AI avatar plus AI image, or you can do it with AI avatar and stock video. I'm going to be using this option because it's a bit more dynamic. I'm going to pick Sarah and then click on next step. On this part, you can select the aspect ratio. I'm going to be making a short format video. Right here, you can toggle on and off the captions. I always leave them on, as well as the voiceover and the music to make the video more dynamic. Then you can choose the video mood. I'm going to leave it on happy, and you can choose a brand kit. We have created one on the past, but this is a bicycle brand kit, so it doesn't match the style of the video that we're creating, so I'm gonna leave it blank. And once you're done, you can just click on generate video. The software is then going to process the video. It's going to take a couple of minutes to create or input into a video. After that process is done, we're then taken to the video editor. I've showed you this timeline in previous videos. We have on the top the captions. If you scroll through the timeline, you can see in which part of the video which caption is being shown. On the bottom, we have the videos, the ones that the software created. We have a mixture of avatar and stock videos, as we selected previously. We have the voiceover under that, then the music, and at the bottom we have the avatar that is present in all of the scenes. If you were to change the media, for example, you can click on this option on the top that says media. If you click on each of the scenes, you can change the media that is being shown on each of the scenes. You can search the stock library, you can generate videos or images for you to change the one that is being shown on that scene, or you can upload your own media as well. Once everything's looking like you want it to, you can just click on export, select the video resolution and compression quality of your video, then click on prepare video for download, and then the software is going to take a couple of minutes to create your video. It's going to process it for a couple of minutes, and after a couple of minutes the software has already rendered the video. If we click on it, we can preview it.
You're snacking all day, but are you effectively fueling your productivity levels? Healthy snacks can boost energy, while junk food can significantly drain it daily. Let's compare. A bag of salty chips versus a fresh, crunchy apple. The chips might taste amazingly great, but they'll give you a quick energy crash afterwards always. On the other hand, an apple provides sustained energy due to its fiber content, keeping you focused for longer periods naturally, with a noticeable difference. Consider nuts as another nutritious option. They're rich in healthy fats and protein, perfect for a midday energy boost, providing sustained vitality throughout. The key is choosing snacks that are nutrient-dense regularly. Ask yourself, does this snack provide essential vitamins, minerals, or valuable antioxidants daily? Now make a habit of picking energy-boosting snacks regularly. Your body and productivity will thank you for making the healthy, sustainable choice daily.
So as you see, the final video looks really realistic. This is the avatar that we created just with prompts. And creating an AI avatar using Zebracat is a really fast and intuitive process. You take less than 10 minutes to just write the kind of avatar that you want to create. You can also describe him or her, and then the software can create it for you. As I showed you, you can create multiple variants of the same avatar. You can have him or her have different accessories and have different backgrounds for the video to be more dynamic. If you were to create, let's say, an internal communication video for your company, you could even have backgrounds of your company in your video. I really invite you guys to use this software. As always, there are some affiliate links in the description box down below for you to use one of the paid plans. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this video. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next ones. Bye bye.